Mr. Freeman did a live stream. He actually did two live streams last night, and I was going to listen to at least the shorter one this morning, and maybe skip through the longer one to see if there was anything awesome that he talked about in there. However, he deleted them this morning. I did catch the first half of that shorter stream, and he was talking about all it takes is being accused of a crime to have your bond revoked. That is an incorrect statement of law. Uh, a judge has to determine there's probable cause in order for you to be actually like charged with the crime. I mean, you could be arrested for it, but it doesn't say that you have that if you get arrested. It's like if you commit a crime, and what they determine is committing a crime is if there's probable cause. So you've already had a magistrate determine that there was probable cause. The reason why the prosecution has all that paperwork from Leon Valley is because the prosecution in the federal court has to prove to the judge that there was probable cause for your arrest, the arrest in Leon Valley. So you basically get two cracks at it, two shots to win. I do wish you'd stuck with a more experienced attorney. I think you really shot yourself in the foot on that. And I don't buy your protestations that you didn't know you were substituting attorneys. You signed a form. You signed a substitution of attorney form. If you're the kind of person who just reads or doesn't read things before you sign them, then I do want to say that I still strongly believe that this arrest was erroneous. I don't believe that the 18 USC 795 or the executive order that determines which installations are secret, top secret, classified, or restricted. None of those apply to gates. And it is wrong that James Freeman is getting charged with violating 18 USC 795 and the Google van that's doing the pictures for Street View is not. Every car that drives by there with a dash cam is not. So I really wish that James Freeman would unsovereign citizen himself enough to take this seriously and put a win on the books. I mean, I'm all about freedom and transparency and this and that. How about you be all about using the opportunity you have in front of you to pull a Turner v. Driver and get some legislation or get some case law down that says that the military can't criminalize photographing the front gate of an installation of a military base unless and until the president decrees that that front gate is secret, top secret, classified, or restricted. How about that, James? How about you take it seriously? I swear to God, I hope you take it seriously at some point in your life. I hope you take it seriously. You have the opportunity at this point. You're not smart enough to realize it, but you have the opportunity. Look at all this money he brings in. Every single one of his streams, he's getting money flowing in. He could do some actual good. Hire the best attorney that you can off the kind of income that you're making. Take it seriously. Get a decision, solid decision. If you're found guilty in this court, appeal it. Get the right attorney. Get a good attorney. Appeal it. Get it shot down in a court of appeals. It'll look better. It'll smell better. It'll be so much sweeter if you have an appellate court decision saying no, F you. You can't criminalize filming the gates to a military base. If they find you innocent, take all this money, file a federal lawsuit, file an injunction, make them do something to make them stop. I don't know. Can you file an injunction against I don't know. I think you can. But boy, I'd have to look into that. I think you can. Yeah, so get an injunction. Have a federal court say that unless it is secret, top secret, classified, or restricted, as per the executive order that is in existence and currently active, that 18 USC 795 doesn't apply unless it meets those criteria in that executive order. 18 USC 795 does not apply. But you're a sovereign citizen. And I am apprehensive that you're going to just shit your pants on this. And you're going to let the prosecution chalk up a win and get more of our freedoms restricted. Just like your boy Padilla did when he shit the bed in Leon Valley. Sorry for my vulgarity. Anyway, apparently Tucson Police Suck is going to be reporting on it if Mr. Freeman doesn't get out. I hope Mr. Freeman does. Again, I don't think that Mr. Freeman committed a crime. At least as far as I know, I don't believe he committed a crime. I don't believe that it is a crime to record those gates. If it's not a crime to record those gates, then he didn't commit the crime of entering onto a military base with the intent of committing a crime. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.